Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check shared calendars on iPhone. And here's how it is done. First, open the calendar app on your iPhone. To view your accepted shared calendars, tap calendars at the bottom. Here you'll see any that are shared, such as shared with family or shared by contacts. If you scroll down, you might see one shared with, for instance, June. Tapping the eye icon next to it shows who it's shared with. Like June in this case, you can also add someone to the calendar so they can view, edit, or make changes to it. You can even set the calendar to public or private or delete it if needed. If you receive an invitation to someone else's shared calendar, it will appear in your inbox at the bottom right. Tap Inbox and swipe down to refresh and check for any new invites. You can either accept the invitation or ignore it if you prefer not to see it in your calendar. That is everything you need to know about how to check shared calendars on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.